Some patients in the N.W.T who had no medical costs before are now feeling a financial pinch. 6 months ago, the government of the Northwest Territories revamped its extended health benefits program. As the CBC's Nadeer Hashmi reports, some patients say they may have to start saving for their deductibles.
A pharmacist says income-based coverage for drugs is creating significant barriers for many patients. The territorial government overhauled its extended health benefits program last September. It now covers everyone, not just people with specific chronic conditions. Those earning above certain thresholds now have a deductible and yearly maximum to pay. A pharmacist says that isn't always the best indicator.
The method of income can sometimes not always capture the uniqueness of each person and the financial strains or challenges they may be going through.
He says many chronic illness patients are struggling.
Where I've seen patients decreasing their doses, it is unfortunate. Going from not paying for your medications to paying for your medications is always going to be a barrier.
Saleh Mohammed says though some lower-income patients now have benefits, higher-income ones face high deductibles and rely on private insurances and out-of-pocket payments. The new program introduced income thresholds that vary by region and family size. For example, in Yellowknife, a single person without kids pays for drugs only if they earn over about $64,000. The yearly maximum ranges from $550 to $8,000. Katie Hart is from Yellowknife. She has cystic fibrosis and type 1 diabetes. Her medical costs are about $400,000 a year. As a university student, she doesn't feel the impact yet.
Right now, as I essentially have zero income, so I do fall in that lowest bracket.
Hart says if her future income exceeds thresholds, she'll always need to budget for medications.
So that's kind of an added stress.
In an email to CBC, a N.W.T spokesperson, N.W.T, says it's too early to assess the impact of the changes. Earlier, they estimated 2,200 additional residents who weren't covered before would now be eligible. N.W.T says 853 people have registered so far, and they're encouraging eligible residents to apply. Nadeer Hashmi, CBC News, Yellowknife.